Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a snowman bottle. So I had this old bottle that I had found at a thrift store or yard sale or something. It's just been lying around for a while. Some of the baker's twine, red and white, a little Christmas tree from Dollar Tree, some red and white ticking striped fabric in a strip, a snowflake, some white chalk paint, some orange, black, and pink paint for the snowman's face. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint the whole bottle with a few coats of the white chalk paint. I think I did 3 coats total, allowing it to dry fully in between coats. Once I had it all dry, I'm going to start painting on my snowman face. I'm going to do a couple of small teardrops in black for his eyes, another teardrop sideways for his nose, and I kind of drag out the end of that to make it look more like a carrot. Then I'm going to add some pink to his cheeks with a dry brush, and then I'm just going to add some black dots for his mouth. I think he is looking super cute already. Such a simple snowman face, but just packs a big punch. Next, I'm going to add some eyebrows and some detail to his eyes. So I'm just going to do 2 small lines with black above his eyes. And I just think there's something about eyebrows that just give a snowman some character. Next, I'm going to take some white paint and put a line on one side of each of his eye and then a dot on the side. And this will just give him a little bit more character and define his eyes for us. And how super cute is he? So once that was all dry, I took the twine that I had, and it's just a red and white baker's twine I got at Hobby Lobby, and I just wrapped that a bunch of times around the neck of the bottle. And I started with a dab of hot glue at the beginning before I started twisting, and then I'm just going to continue twisting around the top until I get it nice and full and how I wanted it to look. And then when I got to the end, I just added another little dab of hot glue to hold it into place. Next, I'm going to cut a piece of twine, and I'm going to tie a bow around the front. And I'm going to tie it in a knot, and then I'm going to slide my snowflake on and then just tie it into a bow, and that will hold the snowflake on. Once I had it all on, I trimmed up the bottom of my bow, and then I'm going to add my ticking stripe fabric around the bottom of the bottle as his little scarf. And the scarf looks super cute. So once I had the scarf all on and I had it all trimmed to where I wanted it, I'm going to take that faux Christmas tree from Dollar Tree. I'm going to hot glue that right into the top of the bottle. So I'm just going to add a bunch of hot glue, and then I'm going to add the tree, and I'm going to hold it straight while it sets up a little bit with the glue. And I just think this is just so adorable. How stinking cute is that? So I decided that he needed a little bit of something. So I took off his scarf, and then I added some of the enchanted shimmer all over him, and that's going to sort of help protect him, but it's also going to give him like a sparkly look. And I thought that was just what he needed. It was definitely felt like something was missing, and I think I figured it out. I absolutely love the way this turned out. He's super sparkly now, and I think it just matches the sparkle that's on the tree and the snowflake. So once that was dry, I just added his little scarf back, and this guy is all done. How super cute is he? He was super easy and fun to make. This would make a great addition to your tiered tray or your snowman collection, or even make a really cute gift. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.